Um, Hello, I'm Nicole, and this is my final project for my Unity 1 course. So my idea for this project, it was inspired by Arsenal from Roblox. Arsenal is a first-person shooter game where 6 players from 2 opposite teams try to race till 32 kills to win. And there's this specific map in this image shown here. It is a gigantic kitchen. Can we restart?
Okay, don't get too upset. But okay, feel free to restart whenever you want to.
Okay. Gigantic. Okay, I'm gonna restart again. Hello, I'm Nicole, and this is my final project for my Unity 1 course. So my project was inspired by Arsenal from Roblox. It's Arsenal is a first-person shooting game where 6 players from 2 opposite teams try to race till 32 kills to win. And there's a specific map that I really liked. It's in the image right here. It is a gigantic kitchen where players have to move around on trampolines to jump up and on these like structures. The idea of having gigantic furniture and tiny players is cool, and I implemented it into my game. So what did I learn and use from the project? During class, I learned about 3D modeling and how to create a first-person player, which I used in my project. So for 3D modeling, it is creating several 3D objects and grouping them to create a larger scene. It is most often used when creating surroundings, such as rooms. In my game, I used a lot of 3D modeling to create the hallway and the different rooms. So for the first-person player, it's just a playable character that only possesses the first-person view. It's what the player, it's what you controls. Here are the screenshots from my game. This one right here, this is the room that I like the best in the map. It is the most decorated, and I just think it fits my ideal expectations of a living room. This is screenshot number 2. I also like the gameplay, especially how the guns work and how it adds points for every enemy you defeated. So, phone time. So here's my character. And the NPCs, they're not supposed to behave like that. So hopefully the bug you can fix in the future. So you just gotta shoot them with your gun. And in the bottom left here, you can see that if the NPCs touches you, you lose his health. And you can also see the ammo that you have in your gun. You can also run. You can crouch. There's another one. And there's different guns you can use as well. So that was the last NPC. So that was my game. My favorite part while working on this project was making the scenes. I made the house based on my ideal dream setup of the rooms, so it was pretty fun to make it. The left side is my ideal type of a living room, and the right side is a pretty good looking bedroom. So if I were to continue to work on this project and to learn more in this course, I would add quests that you can do, and it will be done with different canvases that would show up after you've done each, and different stages, different scenes that can be directed by the main menu UI, and add more rooms / areas to the different stages. Like you can add one more room in the stage, or like two more just new areas that you can explore. Thank you.